Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the SPUpdateServer.exe system error on Windows.
Fix 1. Restart your PC. Step 1. Click Start, Restart. Step 2. After restart, check if the error is gone. Fix 2. Run System File Checker, SFC. Step 1. Press Win plus S. Type CMD. Step 2. Click Command Prompt, Run as Administrator. Step 3. Type SFC/scan now and press Enter. Step 4. Wait for the scan to finish, then restart PC. Fix 3. Reinstall related programs. Step 1. Press Win plus I apps. Step 2. Find a related software. Step 3. Click Uninstall. Step 4. Restart and reinstall the latest version. Fix 4. Run malware scan. Step 1. Open Windows Security. Step 2. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Step 3. Select Quick Scan or Full Scan. Step 4. Remove detected threats and restart.